Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain linear versus tactile switches. We will explore the fundamental characteristics of each type, helping you understand their unique feel and performance. You'll learn about the key differences in their operation, from the smooth press of linear switches to the distinct feedback of tactile ones. This will equip you to make an informed decision for your keyboard. Linear switches offer a consistently smooth keystroke from top to bottom, without any tactile bump or audible click. They are often preferred by gamers for their rapid, unobstructed actuation, allowing for quick, repetitive presses. Typical actuation forces range from around 45 to 60 grams, providing a light and effortless typing experience. This design ensures a fluid and uninterrupted key travel. Tactile switches, in contrast, provide a noticeable bump during the key press, signaling actuation without an audible click. This feedback is highly valued by typists, as it helps confirm that a key has been registered, potentially improving typing accuracy. Actuation forces for tactile switches commonly fall between 50 and 70 grams, offering a satisfying resistance. The tactile event occurs roughly at the 2 mm mark of travel. Choosing between linear and tactile switches ultimately depends on your personal preference and primary use. If you prioritize speed and a seamless press for gaming, linear switches are often the go-to. For those who value typing accuracy and a clear indication of actuation, tactile switches provide that satisfying feedback. Consider trying both to discover which feel best suits your unique style and needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.